In today's video, I am going to share how we can reuse waste material and make some DIYs using them. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Pallavi. In our day-to-day life, we get so many waste materials. So today I am going to share how we can reuse these waste materials into a decor item. So for the first DIY, here I am using this tin can. So first I will color it using a black acrylic color. So once it is completely dry, I am going to apply this Fevibond glue and I am going to stick this rope around the can. This cotton rope I have purchased from a local hardware shop. Now we will stick this rope all around the tin. At the beginning only I am using this Fevibond glue, later I will use the Fevicol MR. We get these type of tin cans when we bring some sweets like rasgulla, gulab jamun, etc. So instead of throwing them out, I am using it as a DIY project. So at the end I am using once again Fevibond glue to stick the rope. So finally we will cut the rope and stick the ends. Now for this here I am going to use this decoupage napkin and I am applying water using a brush and I will just stir the napkin. So to stick the napkin I am using this Mod Podge glue. So I will apply Mod Podge glue over this rope. So before applying the napkin you have to remove the two layers. Then we will apply it very smoothly. You can also use a dry brush to stick the napkin. As I am applying it over the rope, it's not sticking properly, so I am using the same brush to stick this. After sticking the decoupage napkin, just leave it to dry and finally you apply one more coat of Mod Podge glue over that. Using this rope, you can also make some other type of DIYs also. Here you can see I have done one more. So you can apply some acrylic color and make some pattern on this. So here is the final reveal. You can use them as a planter or a organizer according to your choice. And to make patterns, here I have used acrylic colors. So let's move to the second DIY. And again I am using some tin can and some popsicle sticks, and using Fevibond glue I am going to stick these popsicle sticks on this tin can. Before sticking these popsicle sticks, it's better you color the tin can using some black acrylic color. Actually I just forgot to color the tin before sticking these popsicle sticks. So let's stick them all around the tin. So once it is dried, it is looking like this. So I am using black and brown acrylic color and I have mixed it with water and I am just brushing it all around the popsicle stick so that I get a wooden finish. So now because I have not colored the tin previously, here I am going to color the edges. Once it is completely dry, I am going to apply a coat of varnish. So it's ready now. And I am going to take this jute rope and I will tie it around it. To stick this jute rope I am using this Fevicol glue. You can use any other glue also. I am going to tie it on the both sides. And finally I am going to make this rope. So using the same jute rope and I will stick it on it. And this jute rope I have purchased from a local book shop. Instead of jute rope, you can also use some laces or also you can do some stencil on it. And here comes the final reveal. I have made two of them. Again, you can use it as a planter or organizer according to your requirement. Now for the third DIY, here I am using this plastic container. This is an empty talcum powder container. And I am going to cut the upper portion of this container. So now here I am using this Fevicryl molded clay. I am going to mix this resin and the hardener in a small portion. Just make some rope like structures by kneading them. And I will stick it to the container using Fevicol glue. And I will place it according to the shape which I want. and using this dotting tool I am just giving the proper shape. So basically here I am going to give a shape of a face. So once you are done with your work, keep it to dry completely and then only we will start coloring it. To cover the sharp edges of this container, I am going to use the same clay, and now you can see it is ready. So here I am going to give this black acrylic color as a base coat. You can also give a coat of gesso before applying any acrylic color. And by using this white acrylic color, I'll just highlight the face. So once it is dried completely, I am going to use this gold metallic color, and I have purchased it from a local hardware shop. You can also use the acrylic gold metallic color also. By using a dry brush, I am going to give some strokes on this container. So here it's ready, and do not forget to give a coat of varnish to secure the project. You can use it as an organizer in your kitchen or in your study table, etc. Now let's see the last DIY. So here I am going to use this MDF board, a mirror and some cotton rope. To stick this mirror, here I am using this Fevibond glue. Here the MDF board which I am using is actually a cake base, and the mirror which I am using comes in a compact powder. This DIY is very simple. Here I am using this Fevicol glue and sticking this cotton rope all around the MDF board. Now here I am using this hook so that I can hang this on the wall, and here I am using this Fevibond glue to stick it, but it was not so strong, so I used Fevicryl molded clay to stick them, and using some acrylic color I have given some strokes on this. Sorry, I have missed the video, and here comes the final reveal. I hope this video is helpful for you, and let me know which one is your favorite among these 4 DIYs. Thank you for watching.